scorecards. All three judges are in agreement and see it 40-35. All for the winner by unanimous decision, Michael and Choco!
Right, it's your report. We're here with your winner, Michael again. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Now, the way you hit him in round 2, when he took a knee, did you think he'd be there as tough as he was in round 4?
I did. He's a tough opponent. I really don't know much about him, but I can tell you from that first round, he took some hits. I went for the kill in the first round. I don't know if anybody can tell, but good fight. Great fight.
Love the way your movement worked, man. What's next for you?
Hopefully we get the rematch with Rafael. I know he's in here somewhere. He's been asking for it. I'm ready, seems like he's ready, so.
Looks like we got somebody called out in the center of the ring. Rafael? All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to see that fight, I know. Your winner, Michael G.
Thank you everybody for coming out. Big shout out to all that people from Houston and Port Orange right here. They all took the trip just to come watch me fight. And thank you everybody for all the love we get from St. Pete. I love you guys. You guys are all awesome.